Hi there, good morning to you all. It's Lewis here from Trend Signal. Today we're doing Trades of the Week, which is where we review the previous week's activity really for really good opportunities for our Trend Signal clients to hop on the back of. You might have seen already the way we interpret our indicator program. It's three things really, I suppose. You're looking for a yellow disc with a red or green circumference. You're looking for a change in colour for two particular lines as well, and also the level of a particular line too. What I wanted to do today is just go through two particular trades we've highlighted on the 4-hour time frames. Both of these opportunities were opened at 6 o'clock in the evening, so perfect for those that have day jobs, day commitments, that sort of thing. I wanted to get a pretty sort of laid-back approach when it comes to investing in these financial markets too. Well, let's get on with it. The first opportunity we had a look at on last week was on cable. That's sterling versus the dollar. We're looking at the 240, so that's the 4-hour. You can see here actually this sell was the week previous, in fact, so we'll gloss over that for 1 second. But we're looking at this buy here. This was signalled at 6 o'clock, and that was on the Tuesday, so that was the 5th of May. The level there we're looking to buy, of course, because of the green circumference. Can you see, in line with the change in vector average from red to green as well, in line again with the trend line, red to green as well. These three things marry up. It means that there's a significant chance that upon the closure of this candle, we can expect basically sterling to rise proportionally with the US dollar. With that in mind, we can see that our entry point here was at 1.5201. Okay, we're looking to buy, so our stop is at a technical position, the lowest sort of swing about that sort of level, 1.508586, roughly that area. Gives us a bit of breathing space for the trade to play out. Our target, well, we've got two options really here. What we normally do is we cross-reference cable with a longer term time frame, the weekly, to give us an overall flavour of where the overall trend is in this particular market. Now, it's interesting because the cable weekly is actually uptrending anyway. So what that means to us is rather than look for a fixed 60-point target here, we can expect a bigger move, more pronounced move, i.e. up to where this pink magenta line is, that top of the price envelope there. So whilst we're entering here, the top, which is 1.5371, around about that sort of level there, yeah, we're looking for that to be our target. So actually, in terms of a risk to reward, it's a fantastic setup. We're risking around about 115, 116 points, and our target is 170. So whilst we already know the fact that there's a sniper circle there present means we've got around about a 75 to 80% chance of winning this trade, the fact that we're risking less to win more is obviously, well, it's a no-brainer, really is a no-brainer. Well, anyway, as the sort of the trade progressed and played out, the brief flirtation with the target there, dropped down a little bit. It kind of illustrates, I suppose, the idea of setting and forgetting a trade anyway. By setting the trade up here, because we've already put in our stop loss and our target, it means that it turns into it's almost like a binary trade really. It'll either hit its stop or it hit a target. It's one or the other. And of course we know the percentages are, if we flip that coin, we've got around about a 75 to 80% chance of winning this trade anyway. Now as you can see, well, early doors in the morning, that was on the 8th of May, so you're looking at a couple of days later. It smashed through its target. It actually did a lot more than that, to be fair, but it's annoying really. I know it's annoying, it's frustrating, but at this point here, we only had the percentages of hitting this target here. It's almost like if I gave you a 75% chance of reaching this level, as opposed to an unknown percentage chance of achieving up here, say, what would you take? It's a no-brainer. Of course it is. It's obvious. So that was that. That was good trade in sterling dollar. The other one we had actually was an index trade. We're looking at an American index, the US30. Dow Jones, Wall Street, you might know, when you look over your broker, it's sometimes known as Wall Street. Similar process really, I suppose. You're looking for three things. You're looking for the yellow disc. As it happens, there's a green circumference indicating a buy, a really bullish candle actually, that entry candle. So for clients that saw this, your entry point there was, of course, at 6 o'clock, Thursday the 7th of May. Your entry position there, the numbers, 17957. Stop, well, bit of a technical position there, right about 17678. Roughly, that sort of area. Gives it a lot of breathing space. It's quite a big stop to be fair, but doesn't matter. Our target, we're looking with the price envelope because the corresponding, the 4 hours obviously a buy, but the corresponding weekly chart is uptrending as well. So there's a reason why I've pulled out this trade. It means that we can expect from this position here, the entry point, we can expect the price to achieve the top of this price envelope, 18178 roughly, that sort of area, and again, within the next sort of couple of days or so, it hit its target too. it's such a weird one. If you're somebody that wants to get involved in these financial markets, what I've said, these two trades on the 4-hour time frames, it's opening at positions 6 o'clock in the evening. Both opportunities were 170 points on one, 221 points on the other. Blimey, you're looking at the best part of 400 points on these two trades alone. You might be sitting there thinking, well, let's trade £10 a point, say. Let's trade £5 a point, say. £5 a point, 400 points. Well, you're looking at well, 2,000 quid there. Tax-free. These are results not only we are getting, but our significant client bank are getting as well. If you're sitting there, and if you're either brand new to trading, or you want to get involved, you want something to enhance the returns that you're seeing, check us out. That's all I can say. Just have a quick nose round. You might be curious, you might be intrigued by what we do here, who we are. Every week or so we hold a live trading session for people to have a look at us, use it live time. The next one is actually Wednesday afternoon at 12:30. In the afternoon, of course. So if you wanted to register your place, the link's below this video. Alternatively, hit our website, which is trend-signal.com. End last week of a fantastic trading week, and we hope this week will be even better. Thanks, and bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.